Well, it's after Christmas and I'm off work finally, and I'm going to knock some more projects out of the way. Ever since I got rid of my 53 Mercury pickup, I got all kinds of space in the garage to expand my projects and complete my projects that I've haven't had in years. For example, I finally got a mnemonic over hydraulic 20-ton press adapter that I did. You can watch other people on YouTube. This one, everybody seems to have Harbor Freight, but since I'm in Canada, I had to get Princess Auto. And it was really just about a half an hour project to install that. Drilled a few holes, hooked it up to the air compressor, and she took off. Then, the latest project. I've been thinking of installing a heater, and I'm eventually going to build me a set of aluminum doors with, I think, a tri-slide window in it, and maybe a lower window panel down by your feet too, maybe. We'll figure that out in the near future. But I started to disassemble to put the rough country cab heater in. So had to take the windshield out, the dashboard, glove compartment, cup holder, center console, and there's all the base components. You got your heater, 4 vents, all the hoses, the bypass valve, and some grommets in the hose for inside the dash. Then, here's where you took it out. There's about 6 clips down there in that glove compartment. More than a dozen in the dashboard glove compartment area. Got to take your hood off so you can run it through all your accessories through this grommet, which is a great idea. And then I actually bought this buzz bar. I bought a one with 8 on there that I'm going to replace that with 3 for all the accessories. Because another project I'm going to knock out too is a full roof rack that goes on the bed and over the cab too, so I can load her up with kayaks and canoes or whatever, maybe even a rooftop tent maybe eventually. Although I got my Jeep to play with, I can sure take this into some different areas where I can't really fit my Jeep through.